Here we are on Saturday morning on another dog walk. This one is at Goldstick and Gold Bar parks. Park at the Otwell Curling Club. And next to it, driving range. Guess it's closed for the winter. Okay. Which path should we take? We're gonna take this one today. Last video we took that one. This is going down in the Gold Bar Ravine. $19.61. Those are bike trails up there. We should go up there. I think we will. So I wonder if when all this infrastructure, when it was built, maybe that bridge is built in 61. And all these bridges around here. Let's go this way. Yeah, over here. We always go up there, down that way. So we'll go on the bike trails. We went on them part way in the last video. Joe, car. Go that way. No, go that way. Go. Go up the trail. Get up there. Go. 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 It's too steep for him, lazy dog. Oh, okay. A lot of chickadees here. This way. I mean, there's that little bench I saw in the last video from across the ravine. Or the second last, I don't know. Let's try it out. Pretty sturdy. Want to come and sit? Do you want to come and sit down? Look at this tree, still alive, just hanging on. Ready to fall. Oh. What that's all about. Somebody put it there in memorial or something. Probably all frozen. Watch, I'll get attacked by wasps now. Yeah, they're frozen up. What's that, like the last remnant? Last 2 or 3 guys that stayed behind? Or the queen? I don't know if wasps have queens. There he is, waiting for me, wondering what I'm doing. Oh, bike coming. Okay, we must be on a different path than last time because I don't see any of those bike bridges. Maybe they're coming up. Let's see. Okay, here's one of the bridges, so we're coming up on them. Go across the bridge. Yeah, go across. No, this way. Yeah, go. 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 Go, it's okay. Go. There's the other one. This one's kind of wobbly, but last time we were here we saw a guy maintaining it. Some young guy digging in there and doing something. So see, it is wobbly. Well, it was. Yeah, there. Yeah, they should put more supports there or something. I'm sure somebody's tumbled into there before. Off their bike. Sit. Stay. Stay there, I said. Sit. Sit. Let's see if he follows me. Okay, follow me on the bridge. Right here. Up. Up here. Up, 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 up. Here, up here. Up. Come on. Up here. Up, up, up. Come on. You can do it. Come on. No, up on the bridge. Up, 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 up. Come on. Up here. Up here. Come on. Up here. I think this is the third of 3 bridges. This one's kind of wobbly too. Actually not as wobbly as the other one. Oh yeah, and then there's these log bridges. This way. Here, come here. I won't go over this one. Come here. Over here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. On here. Up. Up here. Come on. You can do it. Up. 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 No. I hear a squirrel. Did you hear that squirrel? Is that a cherry or something? Stupid coyotes. Okay, there's trails up there too. Okay, and it ends at Gold Bar Park. That was about half hour or 20 minutes. And I think we'll turn back this way. Guess we should head back. Rufus is probably wondering what I'm doing. Taking pictures of stuff. This is where I saw snakes. Yes, snakes. I knew there were snakes. Right there. On that ledge. Probably live under the bridge. Last spring. This way. Refinery and refinery over there. There's the Rundle Park Bridge. Footbridge. Hey, let's go this way. Guess we're going that way. He's leading me now. He knows the car is that way. And that's our walk in Goldstick Park. Now trudging up the hill, going back to the car.